Mm, The organic industry operational, credential, and standard are the challenge for the growing organic farming industry. Organic farming with the biodynamic and without artificial chemicals provided consumer with a complete selection of plants and animal foods. The potatoes industry, the potato invention network was launched in 2020 to support the development of new market and new use of the potatoes in the market diversification. Polarity industry, avian influenza is the latest concern in the poultry industry, but if this strains reach Canada, precautionary measures are in place. Processed fruits and vegetable industry, fruits and vegetable processing includes canned, either frozen, jam, jelly, and marmalades, pickles, sauce, sops, vegetables, fruits, juice, and vinegar products. The pulse industry consists of beans, grams, fubá beans, and pulses industries, pea, soap, and baked beans are major productive process of pulse growth. Canada is the world's largest exporter of the pulse. Red meat industry is Canada's fourth largest manufacturing industry. Cattle, calves, ring, sheep, hunts, bisons are all domesticated for red meats export and the domestic use. The seed industry is the most important place for the seed cultivation field. Inspectors, registered seeds companies, seed test plots, and seed retailers to produce seeds. The snack food industry is the staple food items for cereals, corn, nuts, oils, potatoes, and seeds such as potatoes, chips, mixed nuts, peanuts, butter, pork, chops, and seed snacks. Almost 80% of sunflower seeds grown in Canada are sold as a roasted breakfast. Sunflower seeds are without shell, without baking. The real user is in the domestic bird feed, sunflower, vegetables, oils, or small markets. The real user is domestic bird feed and sunflower vegetable oils or small vegetable markets that are being developed. Vegetable industry, the vegetable part of the plant is a vegetable can be marketed as a fresh vegetable supporters vegetables grown in the field. The wine industry, Canada wine winters who produce wine with the different aromas, aging properties, and the flowers receive international awards from Canada's native breeds. Grapes produced hybrid wine that produce grapefruits, which result in less grape and cool season, and a quality is now here to be found. Agriculture science began to develop new style of farm, wheat and crops trained so that farming could become a successful project. Farming methods were developed at places like the Dominion Experimental Farm, Roaster Experimenting Stations, and Bell Farm from 1914 to 1922, and better farming train traveled the rural areas of Saskatchewan to educate pioneer farmers. The 1901 census showed 511 farms, and number of farms in 1941 a record reached 732,800 farms. The Industrial Revolution modernized these farming industries when mechanized vehicles replaced the plowed or a horse-drawn carriage or a bulls. The fields become too large and industrial agriculture and devalued.